Hey guys, today I'm going to show you my vending machine, and I'm going to show you how I made it. I cut out, let me go get some. And sorry if you hear noises downstairs. That's the TV. So, scissors. These are good for So, I took my scissors and I cut out a big window like this. Well, like this. And then I cut out a coin slot and I tested it against the coin and it works perfectly. And then this is where the prize falls. And this is cardboard that I taped here, and basically this is where the toys are. Oops. Sorry guys, let me just set the camera down for a minute. By the way, this is not a camera that I'm using, my iPad mini. Okay. So this is where, the toys, this thing right here, this is a shelf, or whatever it's called, where you put the toys. And then basically what you do is you pull this thing, or lever, I don't know what it's called, back. And then you get your prize through here. And I've tested this, and I know it works. So yeah, that was basically it. And I originally put like a bucket under here to catch the coins. But I took that out because it was only taped on there. So yeah, that's my vending machine. And in other tutorials that I saw, they covered it with plastic wrap, but my plastic wrap doesn't really stick that well. So, yeah, and next thing we would do is be decorating it. And sorry if I'm not good at explaining things. So, and I tested this already, but I'm going to test this again just to make sure it works, even though I've already tested it. So, this is supposed to be a squishy vending machine. Well, yeah, this is supposed to be a squishy vending machine, but you can use it for other things like the teeny beanie boos. And they're falling off, so I am going to set my iPad mini down. And just set them up here. Okay. And you can also fill it up with things like Shopkins and LPS, but if you did, it would just fall right through the hole. So I'm not gonna do that. I also have some other prizes like this Buzz Lightyear, but it is falling off. Okay, I'm sorry guys. Let's see. Okay, guys, sorry if I'm a really bad YouTuber or whatever. Sorry, guys. Sorry if I'm a bad YouTuber, but thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed my video. In the comments, don't forget to like and subscribe. And in the comments, let me know, do you think I'm a bad YouTuber for all that I've done? Probably. Bye, guys.